Elon Musk has announced that his artificial intelligence startup, xAI, will provide access to its chatbot Grok for all premium subscribers of the social media platform X. This shift, announced in a post on X, removes the chatbot's previous restriction to Premium Plus subscribers. As advertisers pull away from X, Musk is moving from advertising revenue to focus on enhancing subscription services. In a critique of the profit-oriented use of technology by major tech corporations like Google, Musk plans to make Grok open source. This decision follows his lawsuit against OpenAI, in which he criticizes the organization's shift from nonprofit roots towards profit-driven goals. By open sourcing Grok, Musk aligns xAI with companies like Meta and France's Mistral, which have also made their AI models publicly available. This encourages innovation and involvement from the broader community. Furthermore, Musk's legal dispute with OpenAI, a company he co-founded and later left, underscores his concerns about the ethical direction of AI development. Although he once endorsed profit-driven strategies, including a proposed merger with Tesla, Musk's recent initiatives and remarks, particularly at the AI Safety Summit in the UK, promote ethical AI development and the embrace of open-source principles. His goal is to develop a maximum truth-seeking AI at xAI. This strategic shift not only challenges the approaches of OpenAI and Google, but also sparks a debate among tech leaders and investors about the consequences of making AI technology open source. As reported by the BBC, Elon Musk's Neuralink has demonstrated its first patient controlling a computer cursor and playing online chess using a brain implant. In a live 9-minute stream on X, viewers saw Noland Arbaugh, paralyzed from the shoulders down due to a diving accident, use the device. Arbaugh, who received the chip in January, described the operation as super easy. Arbaugh has spent up to 8 hours playing the video game Civilization VI, facilitated by a brain implant. However, he did encounter some issues with the technology. The Neuralink device, roughly the size of a 1-pound coin, is meant to be inserted into the skull. It has tiny wires that can register neuron activity and send wireless signals to a receiver. After trials in pigs and demonstrations with monkeys, playing a basic version of Pong, the FDA approved Neuralink for human testing in May 2023. Neuralink is part of a growing trend of companies and academic departments pushing the limits of brain-computer interface (BCI) technology. BCIs aim to capture some of the electrical impulses generated by the brain's approximately 86 billion neurons, which enable movement, sensation, and thought. These impulses can be detected by non-invasive caps or directly through implanted wires, attracting significant research investment. Musk has boldly claimed that Neuralink's technology can restore sight in monkeys and has branded this technology as blind sight. He envisions this technology initially offering low-resolution vision similar to early video games to eventually surpass human visual capabilities. According to Reuters, a U.S. health policy lawmaker has questioned the FDA about its inspection of Neuralink before approving it for human trials. This comes after reports of issues found during inspections related to animal testing practices at Neuralink. These findings became public shortly after Neuralink announced FDA clearance for human testing of its brain implants, which allow paralyzed individuals to control computers with their minds. Representative Earl Blumenauer expressed concerns in a letter to the FDA about overlooked evidence of animal testing violations, dating back to 2019. He questioned how the FDA reconciled these reports with its decision to authorize Neuralink's human trials amid allegations of rushed experiments leading to unnecessary animal suffering and potential data integrity risks. In response, the FDA stated it would directly address Blumenauer's inquiries, noting its post-approval inspection did not identify any significant safety concerns for the trial. Neuralink, which has started human testing, recently showcased the implant's capabilities in a live stream, emphasizing the potential of brain-computer interfaces despite regulatory and ethical scrutiny. This exploration into brain-computer interface technology with companies like Synchron and BlackRock Neurotech also progressing in human trials, shows the potential for patients to control digital interfaces through thought alone. The investigation into Neuralink's regulatory approval highlights the critical balance between medical technology innovation and the necessity of maintaining safety and ethical standards. The discussions around Neuralink's practices and the FDA's oversight reflect broader questions about the pace of technological advancement and the frameworks needed to ensure its responsible development. The scrutiny faced by Neuralink, due to concerns over its animal testing procedures and subsequent approval for human trials, underscores the challenges of pioneering medical devices in the rapidly evolving field of brain-computer interfaces. It emphasizes the need for rigorous regulatory processes that facilitate technological breakthroughs while safeguarding the welfare of both animal subjects and human participants. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI.